Let me tell you what Khurshid Shah, an opposition member in the National Assembly, has said about your record there. PTI chief Imran Khan had a chance to implement his agenda during their rule in KP, but he missed a big chance. Khan talks about creating 10 million jobs in the province, but he's not even been able to create 5,000 jobs during his tenure. Fair point?
KP is one province out of all the provinces, 4 provinces in Pakistan. They never re-elect a party. They only give you one chance. So MMA got one chance in 2002, was wiped out in 2008.
But this is you of the jobs. You know, you're talking about your agenda. You had a chance to demonstrate that you could deliver, and you haven't. That's the point.
ANP got a chance in 2008, got wiped out in 2013. So, today, PTI, all surveys in KP, I mean, I'm saying don't listen to what Khurshid Shah says. He has to say those things. But the indication is,
how many
if you look
jobs
at all
have you
the surveys,
created? But how many jobs have you created? And I want to ask you also, have you built a new university in KP? Have you built a new hospital in KP?
So, first of all, if you look at all surveys today, PTI has doubled its vote back.